Guys, thank you for the comments from my previous video. Okay, so I hope in this video I can answer all your queries, okay, regarding the easy soft work balance. So actually it's my third time. Okay, it's my third time to buy this easy soft work balance school shoes, yung black shoes ng work balance. Bakit? Tatlong reason. It's because, number one, very convenient to use, convenient to wear. Number two, bakit? Economical. Mura. Kasi it ranges only to 350 to 399.75 pesos. Okay? Yun lang. And then number three is matibay. Rain or shine, talagang tatagal siya. So, it's good for this rainy season, yung sapatos na work balance. For my kid, okay? That's my experience. That's our experience about the product. So, may mga tanong. Okay? Yung tanong, bakit every year ako bumibili? Eh, matibay naman. So, alam niyo kung bakit. Yung my son or my kid, okay, is growing up. So, every year, lumalaki yung paa. Kaya, kailangan niya ng bagong sapatos. And, number two, bakit? Hindi maiiwasan, nagagasgasan din yung surface ng shoes, pero hindi siya punit. In good condition pa rin. Kaso lang yung physical appearance niya lang, medyo na-depreciated. Okay? And number three is, gusto niya yung another design. So, different design para hindi nakakasawa. Kaya, bumibili kami every year. And I like it very much. It's because in a previous years pa, when he was in grade 5, grade 6, every year that year, bumibili, we are buying at least 2 or 3 pairs of shoes every year. So, magkano yon? Di, mahal. Usually, 500 to 1K yung isang pair. So, ang bilis talaga. Ang bilis masira. So, I'm very happy kasi nakadiscover kami nung product nito. Okay? Product ng Work Balance. So, very happy kasi nakakatipid. Ang laki ng natipid. So, let's go to unboxing. So, here. Ayan. Yeah. Usually, yung mga shoes na ganito, okay, package in shoe bags. But then, this one is just any plastic bag. But then, I don't mind kasi, ang importante is the loob, okay? The quality, the durability of the products inside. And in fairness naman, yung plastic bag naman is magagamit mo. Very, very reusable naman siya. Diba? Okay? So, ganun lang yan. So, hindi siya naka-shoebox, ha? Plastic bag. But promise, ang ganda ng products. Okay? Very durable. So, eto yung design. Ayan. Okay? Ganun lang yun siya. So, ang laki. So, yung size nito is 43. 43 yung size. Ito yung design niya. Saka yung sa loob niya, meron din, yan, nakalagay si soft. Merong description. Okay? So, ganyan lang yun siya. Yung texture, yan pa, plastic. Sa rubber plastic. Ganyan siya. Ayan. So, may tanong sa akin before. Okay, may tanong. Paano ko daw ito nililinisan? Okay, yung parang, okay, sabihin natin, no, in our experience, paano ba? Parang sa isang bahay, if you want, pag masyadong madumi, general cleaning, okay? So, let's do the general cleaning of the shoes. Ang ginagawa is, pwede mo siyang i-wash gamit nung sabon, sa cloth, at saka yung soft brush kung gusto mo siyang i-brush. Pero yung soft lang, okay? Huwag yung hard na mga brush, okay? And cloth with sabon. Then, i-wash mo lang siya ng water. Then, let it dry. You can dry it under the sun. Huwag na yung masyadong matagal. Basta, ma-dry siya, pati yung loob. Yun lang. Diba? Wala siyang problema kasi waterproof. Plastic rubber siya eh. Ayan, synthetic. Waterproof, flexible, very durable, shock absorbing. Ayan. Ayan, ganda. And then, so after that one, meron akong products din na ginagamit. Ito. It's a super wipe. It's a multi-purpose clean. Pwede mo siyang gamitin. After nung drying, okay, after ma-dry yung shoes, you can use this super wipe. So, yung super wipe is yung smell nito, okay, yung smell nito is just wala siyang scent, okay? Wala siyang perfume scent, okay? Pero mild scent lang siya. No solvent, water-based with moisturizer, easy to use, economical. Kasi bili ko na dito is 65 ang mura. Okay? So, yung description nito, so let me read. It is best for household appliances, office equipments, leather goods such as yung shoes, bags, belts, wallets, etc. And even yung mga synthetic, okay? Kasi ginagamit ko siya. Electronic devices din, ceramic, upholstery, cars, and other automotive parts. Plastic, metal, glass, furniture, nickel, brass, surface, silver, and stainless. Yun ang pwede mong linisin through super wipe. Okay? So, let's see what's inside. Ayan. Yung laman niya is like this one. Okay? Translucent. Parang floor wax. You know? Floor wax na white. Okay? So, paano gumamit ito? You can use yung tela or cloth. Or pwede yung tissue. Gamit yung tissue. Ganun lang. Ayan. Okay? Paano gumamit? Ayan. Sorry. Gamit. So, tingnan natin yung effect niya. Okay. So, dapat ayan lang. Ayan. Moisturize niya din. Ayan o, look shiny. Ayan, di ba? Ang ganda. O, kasi yung tissue ko, manipis masyado. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. See? Yung effect. So, yun. Okay? Kung mga daily cleaning, maganda rin to. Daily cleaning. If you want to clean, para ma-wipe out mo yung alikabok. This is good. Kapag masyadong madumi, maraming pawis, so you have to wash it with soap, water, and you have to brush it, and then you have to rinse it, okay? With water, and you dry it. You dry it under the sun. Okay? But, wag po naman i-over dry. Okay? Ayan siya. So, yan. And then, paano minimaintain yung color black? Sometimes kasi, may mga gasgas. Ayan. Pag may gasgas, yan, yung kulay niya, medyo na iba. Okay? So, ang gawin mo na lang, ang ika-third na ginagamit ko is ito. I'm using kiwi. Yeah, I'm using kiwi. And be sure to use the black one. Okay? Kasi meron yung polish, yung parang kulay puti lang. Yung parang transparent. Okay? Parang panglinis lang siya. Ito, may kulay black. So, at least na-maintain yung black ng shoes. So, maglalagay ka nito. Ito yung ilalagay namin. So, yun. And that is how we maintain the quality at saka. So, guys, I hope I shared something good to you and you can apply it also. So, that's it. So, happy Happy opening school days na lang din, okay, for all the kids, okay? Happy opening school days, tama ba? So, malapit na. 13, 14. Yung iba sa 5. Then, yung iba sa 13, yung iba sa 14. Depende sa school. Okay? So, guys, thank you for being with me tonight. So, kasi tonight, gabi ngayon eh, while I'm doing this one video. Okay? And I hope to see you in my next videos. And thank you for watching my other videos, my previous videos. So, please feel free to give comment. Okay? Guys, thank you so much. And see you on my next videos. Bye!